Hello dear students, I am Dr. Vibha Agrawal, your English teacher. Welcome back to my English class. Let us first recapitulate what we did in the previous class. In the previous class, we discussed first few paragraphs of the lesson, My Lost Dollar. We learned about Leacock's friend Todd, who borrowed $1 from him while he was going to Bermuda, as that time he was not having money to pay for the taxi. Leacock thought Todd would return the money as he was his good friend. Todd, after reaching Bermuda, sent Leacock a letter. Leacock thought that dollar would be inside the letter, but when he opened the letter, he didn't find the dollar. Rather, Todd had discussed the temperature of Bermuda in the letter. Todd returned after 3 weeks. Leacock went to the station to receive him. Leacock indirectly reminded him of the dollar, but Todd did not react at all. Later in the evening, when they met, Leacock again tried to remind him of the borrowed dollar by indirectly mentioning the American dollar, but he could not explicitly mention it because of his friendship. So, this is what we did in the previous lecture. Let us now continue the text. It took me some time. I see Todd practically every day at my club to realize that he had completely forgotten the dollar. Though they met almost regularly, it took Leacock some time to realize that Todd has completely forgotten the dollar. I asked him one day what his trip cost him, and he said that he kept no accounts. One day Leacock asked him how much did this trip cost him. He answered, I don't keep any accounts. A little later, I asked him if he felt settled down after his trip, and he said that he had practically forgotten about it, so I knew it was all over. A little later, Todd said that he had completely forgotten about the trip. Now Leacock was assured it was all over. He is not going to get back his $1. In all this, I bear Todd no grudge. I have simply added him to the list of men who owe me $1 and who have forgotten it. There are quite a few of them now. I make no difference in my demeanor. Demeanor is behavior to them. But I only wish that I could forget. Leacock says, though Todd forgot about the dollar I lent him, I have no complaints. I have just added his name to the list who borrowed money from me and forgot. He says, though they did not return my money, my behavior with them is as good as it was before, and I should forget that I had ever lent money to them. I meet Todd very frequently. Only 2 nights ago, I met him out at dinner and he was talking apparently without self consciousness about Poland. So he said that they used to meet. 2 nights ago, they met at dinner. That time, Todd was talking about country Poland. He said that Poland would never pay her debts. So, what did he say when he was talking to Leacock? He was talking about the country Poland. He said that Poland would never pay her debts. You would think a thing like that would have reminded him. So, when he was talking about Poland, Leacock thought this would remind him of the dollar he borrowed me. Wouldn't you? But it didn't seem to. So he thought that it would remind him that he once borrowed $1 from me, but it didn't. But in the meantime, a rather painful thought, has begun to come into my mind at intervals. So in the meantime, a very painful thought was disturbing his mind. What was it? It is this: if Todd owes me $1 and has forgotten it, it is possible indeed it too theoretically probable that there must be man to whom I owe $1 which I have forgotten. So he says that just as Todd borrowed $1 from me and forgot, similarly I also would have borrowed some money from someone and would have forgotten. There may be a list of them. There may be so many people whom I borrowed money. The more I think of it, the less I like it. He says, I don't want to think about it because I don't like it. Because I am quite sure that if I had once forgotten $1, I should never pay it. He says, if I have forgotten the dollar, I am not going to pay it. I am quite sure. On this side of the grave. On this side of the grave means during my lifetime. So Leacock says, if I have forgotten the dollar once I borrowed from someone, I am not going to pay it during my lifetime. So with this, I conclude today's class. In the next class, we will complete the lesson and discuss question answers. Thank you.